Okay, class. So I'm gonna go through example 2 again. Right. So as highlighted, if you don't see any monetary number, right? If there's no number given of the amount of money invested, it means that most likely you will have to look for P, right? So we got here at 4% per annum compound annually, right? So that means we don't need to divide by 12 because the amount is compounded annually every year. Okay, now he said that Kai Lun gets $270,400 back after 2 years. This means that this is your A, right? This is the total amount after 2 years. This is your R, right? Okay, and N is, and 2 years is your N. Okay, so go back to your formula. A equals to P bracket 1 plus R over 100. N. A is 270,400. P is what we want to find. R is 4 over 100. N is 2. Okay. So from here, since we don't have any alphabet here, we can calculate everything in this bracket. Alright. So we will get 4 over 100 can be written as a fraction as 0.04. Right, so we will get 1 plus 0.04. Then we put it square. Right, so we will get P bracket 1.0816 270,400. Now, because this is a times, when I bring this over, it means that I will end up putting it behind the number that's already there. Alright, so if I bring this over, right, so when I bring this over, it goes behind 270,400. Okay, it goes behind 270,400. And then it changes to divide. Okay, so just to repeat myself, from this step here, we find out that this is P bracket 1.0816. Okay, so this means times, P bracket means times, so we have to make P alone. So we need to bring this 1.0816 over to the other side. So when we bring it over to the other side, it becomes a divide, and it goes behind the number that is already there. Okay, so P equals to 250,123. Right, then we have to express it in standard form. 2.5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 to the power of 5. Okay, so this is our first answer. Now we're going to try 24. Now, Kishan invested a sum of money in a Western Bank account at the beginning of 2015. Each year, the amount increased in value by 4.5%. Okay, so now we have our rate. At the end of 5 years, Kishan has accumulated 60,000. So this is our A. Okay, what is the initial amount? Okay, so likewise, they did not say what is P. They just said invested a sum of money. So this means we need to find P, right? This sum of money is P. So this is R. So again, we have A equals to 1 plus 4.5 over 100 N. Okay. Right, now this one they didn't say is monthly, right? So we assume that this is being compounded yearly. So 5 years will be your N, right? So we have all our values now. Okay, so this is 60,000. P bracket 1 plus 4.5 over 100, 5. So we take 4.5 divided by 100 plus 1. Then we send it to the power of 5. Okay, now it's a very long decimal, and we cannot convert it to fraction. Right, so write down the whole thing. P bracket 1.246181938 60,000. Right, so again, when we bring over, because it's times, we bring over, it becomes a divide, and it goes behind 60,000. Right. Okay, so 60,000 divided by, so your P will be 48147.06279. Then they say convert into standard form, correct to two significant figures, right? So don't forget to convert to two significant, 1, 2, we look at 1, right? So we get 48000, convert to standard form, 4.81234. Right, so your answer will be 4.8, sorry, can't really see, right? 4.8 times 10 to the power of 4. Okay, hopefully this helps. Okay, now let's finish up exercise 1D. Now, Priya invests 30,000 of savings, pays an interest of 1.6 per annum compounded yearly. Find the amount she has after 3 years. Okay, so very quickly, this is P, this is R, this is N, right? So we will get A equals to 30,000, 1 plus 1.6 over 100, 3. So use your calculator and calculate.
No, but I wanted to use it to illustrate certain elements of
Okay, you will get 31,463.16288. Round up to the nearest cent, 31,463.16. Okay. Now, second part, write your answer in standard form. So your answer will be 3.146316 times 10 to the power of 4. Okay, so this is part 1. Okay, for part 2, question 2. Okay, Sam took a bank loan of 45,000. Okay, the bank charges compound interest at 38% per year. Right, this means it's 12 months, 3.8%. Right, 3.8%. Okay, but then they said start of every month. So we know this is compound monthly. Okay, so because it's compound monthly, we need to find the interest rate at 1 month. Okay, so 3.8 over 100 divided by 12. Okay, you will get 19 out of 6,000. Okay, now because it's monthly, we need to convert the years to months. So this will be 24 months. Right, so again, this is our P. So you get A equals to 45,000. 1 plus 19 over 6,000. 24. Okay, so we calculate our value. We will get 48,547.48591. convert to the nearest cent. Sorry, nearest cent will be 2 decimal place. So we look at the 5. We should get 48547.49. Right? Okay, simple. Now moving on. Okay, now Hui Jie deposited a sum of money. So sum of money means this is P that we need to find. Okay, 2.5 per year compounded annually. So this is my R. Okay, he has 45,000. This is A after 5 years. A N. Okay, so we have 45,000, which is A, right, equals to P, which we are trying to find. 1 plus 2.5 over 100, compound 5 years. So 2.5 divided by 100 plus 1 to the power of 5, right, you will get, okay, cannot express as a fraction. So we get 1.131408213. Okay, again, this is times, so when we bring over it becomes divide. 45123 divided by 314082213 equals to P. So my P equals to 45123 divided by 1.13. So I should get a smaller amount, right? Because P is my initial deposit. Okay, so standard form, 3 significant. So 1, 2, 3. Look at the fourth one. We get 398. Sorry, write too fast. Okay, we will get 39800. And then from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3.98 times 10 to the power of 4. Okay, and then we will get our answer. Okay, last one. I didn't go through this in class, so please pay attention and check your answer if you've done it. Putri wants to invest 80,000 in a savings bank, right? But there are 2 banks here. First one is simple interest, 4% per annum. Bank B offers 3.5 per annum compound yearly. So which bank will give Putri a higher interest if she wants to invest the amount for 10 years? Right, so take note, for simple interest, you can calculate interest straight away with PRT. So our P is 8,000. Our R is 4 over 100. Our T is 10. Okay, so from here is 8,000 times 4 over 100 times 10 for 10 years. So the interest she will have after 10 years is 3,200. Okay, how about this is bank A. For B, we get A equals to 8,000. 1 plus 4 over 100, 10. Okay, now take note, for B we are calculating total amount. So 1.04 to the power of 10 times 800 or 8,000. We get 11,841.95428. Right, so for part B, to find compound interest, we need to minus away 8,000, right? Because A is your principal plus interest. So minus away 8,000, you will get 3,841.95427.9. Right, I'm gonna round it up to 2 dp because money is 2 dp. 3841.95. Okay, so which bank will give Putri a high interest? Obviously B will give a high interest, but by how much? Okay, this is where we find out by taking 3841.95 minus 3200. Get 641.95. Okay, so bank B will give more higher interest of 641.95. Okay, so hopefully this helps you. Alright, any questions, please feel free to let me know.